Welcome to Work Vocabulary in English Learning from Scratch. Today we master 6 essential workplace terms: job, work, career, salary, wage, and pay. These words help you communicate clearly about employment and money in professional situations. Understanding their differences is crucial for everyday conversations. Job, work, career, salary, wage, and pay each have specific meanings and contexts. Job refers to a particular position, work means general effort, career describes long-term professional development. Salary means fixed regular payment, wage is hourly compensation, and pay is the general term for money earned from employment. A job is a specific position of employment with defined duties and responsibilities. Work refers to general tasks or effort done to earn money or achieve goals. A career is a long-term professional journey or series of related jobs. Salary is fixed regular payment, usually monthly or annually. Wage is payment calculated by the hour or day for labor. Pay is the general term for money received for work or services. Job means a specific position like, I have a new job as a teacher, with defined roles and duties. Work is more general, referring to any effort or tasks like hard work pays off or daily activities. The key difference is that job is particular while work describes effort in general terms. Salary is a fixed regular payment, usually monthly or annually, independent of hours worked, common in office jobs. Wage is payment based on hours or days worked, variable depending on time spent, typical for hourly labor. Pay is the general umbrella term that includes both salary and wage plus bonuses or commissions. I got a new job as a teacher shows job as a specific employment position. Hard work leads to success uses work for general effort. She built a successful career refers to long-term professional development. My monthly salary is $4,000 describes fixed regular payment. Job is a specific position that happens one time. Work is general activity done daily. Career is long-term path over a lifetime. Salary is fixed payment received monthly. Wage is hourly payment calculated daily. Pay is general money earned anytime. Each term has unique timing and scope. Job, work, and career describe different aspects of employment from specific positions to lifelong professional paths. Salary, wage, and pay refer to compensation with distinct payment structures. Practice these words in sentences to master workplace vocabulary for clear professional communication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.